Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, where we learn and relearn mathematics. We are continuing with the tutorial on the plane geometry 2, which we describe as circle theorem. We are done with theorem 1, 2, 3. In this video, we will be discussing the theorem 4, which also states that. So the theorem is saying that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are what? Add up to 180, or we can say are supplementary, meaning if you add them you have to get what? 180. Now there are two terms here, cyclic and quadrilateral. Beginning with this, we know quadrilaterals are four-sided figure. Then a cyclic quadrilateral, meaning a quadrilateral inscribed into a circle. So if I have a circle in this way and have this, let's say A, B, C, D. The angles we are having here, if I have A, let me take it this way, A, B, C, D. These angles are formed by the vertices here or the corners here. Now, it is a quadrilateral because it's having four angles, meaning four sides. It is a cyclic because all the vertices touch the circumference. That simply means that if I have a circle that have the center, this is also A, B, C, D, meaning they have four sides. I believe so. It's a four-sided, four angles. So I can call it what? A quadrilateral. But this is not cyclic quadrilateral because all the vertices are not touching the circumference. 1, 2, 3 is touching the circumference, but the fourth one is in the center. So this is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, the opposite angles of this quadrilateral will not add up to 180. So here we are going to say A plus C to give us what? 180. And B plus D should also produce what? 180 degrees. So anytime we have an angle here, we add it to this, we get what? 180. Better still, I can say this is X. Then this become what? 180 minus what? X. Meaning I will subtract this angle from 180 to get this. If this angle is taken as Y, then this will be taken as what? 180 minus what? Y. Because this plus this, the Y is positive and negative, so they will cancel to give you what? 180. That is the theorem 4. The cyclic quadrilateral, they are opposite angles. Opposite. Add up to what? 180. Good. Let's take a question and see. Okay. Watch this carefully. I believe you can see that if we take A, B, C, E. A, B, C, E is a cyclic quadrilateral because the vertices are touching the circle. If you take A, B, C, D, it is also a cyclic what? Quadrilateral, whereby the vertices are touching the circle. Let me take the A, B, C, D. What will be the opposite? The opposite two opposite pair of angles will be the angle here and the angle here. Then Y and X. So if I add these two, I should get 180, and these two angles are unknown, so I cannot find it. So it means that if I look at this and this from quadrilateral A, B, C, E, this is opposite to this. So I can easily use this theorem, which says that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to what? 180. So from this property or stating this theorem, I can say that the angle here, which is 40 degree plus what? Y. So give you what? 180. And fast forward, Y is going to be 180 minus what? 40. So that will give us 140 degrees. So Y is taken care of. What of the X? You can use the same property. That says that the opposite angle. So in this case, we'll be using A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. The opposite will be D and B. Therefore, X plus Y is expected to give you what? 180 from the same theorem. So you'll be saying that x plus y equals to 180, where your y is 140, so x is going to be 180 minus what? 140, and that gives you 40 degrees. I believe you get the two concepts. Good. But there is also one way we can get the x without using this property. Using the property, the second theorem, which says that the angles subtended by an arc at the circumference are the same. So the arc ABC, this arc, subtend the angle 40 is the same arc that make the angle what? X. Therefore, x is equals to what? 40. You see, no calculation needed. Just by quoting the theorem, you can say x is equals to 40 as we derive from here. You can see breaking the second theorem, theorem after theorem, make it a bit simple and easy. So by just looking at the theorems, you should be able to find answers to plane geometry 2 questions. We will take the theorem 5 in the next episode. If you find this educative, please give a thumbs up by liking the video, leave your comment, share with your colleagues or anybody who may love mathematics. Don't forget, if you are new, subscribe to the channel, Taxonomy Online Mathematics. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.